The Roborock Q7 Max Vacuum is a powerful cleaning tool boasting a maximum suction power of 4,200 Pascals that can easily lift debris and pet hair, even from carpets, providing a deep and thorough cleaning. The Q7 Max is not just a vacuum, but also a mop, and can perform both tasks simultaneously, equipped with an electronic pump and offering 30 water flow levels for a fine-tuned cleaning experience. With the PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, the Q7 Max creates accurate 3D maps of your home for efficient cleaning routes, allowing you to virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. The Q7 Max comes with a combined dustbin and water tank with a capacity of 470 milliliters and 350 milliliters respectively, allowing for more cleaning sessions before needing to empty or refill. The vacuum features a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush that is perfect for tackling long hair and pet hair, as it resists hair tangles and provides a deeper, more efficient cleaning. With a specially designed battery, the Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, allowing it to clean a maximum area of 329 square feet.